The Manhattan Project by Jamie and David. This is a video of a nuclear bomb going off. As you can see, it causes a lot of damage. What is the Manhattan Project? The Manhattan Project was a $2 billion research and development project that produced the first atomic bombs during World War II. It was led by the United States with the support of the United Kingdom and Canada. It was carried out between 1942 to 1946.
It was the start of the atomic age. This is a picture of the first ever atomic bomb known as the Gadget. And here is a picture of Albert Einstein and Slizard. This is a picture of one of the 4 bombs dropped.
Who was involved in the Manhattan Project? Chemists, physicists and scientists from the US, UK and Canada were involved in the project. President Roosevelt brought together a team of the smartest chemists and engineers known as the Uranium Committee, including Ernest Lawrence, Harold Urey and Arthur Compton. In 1942, the project was turned over to the United States Army Corps of Engineers and moved to facilities given the code name Manhattan Project.
The 3 labs were in Oak Ridge, Tennessee, Los Alamos, New Mexico, where it finally came together, and Richland, Washington. Over 400,000 people were involved in the project, but only a few knew the truth about it.
This is a picture of Enrico Fermi. He escaped from Italy from the Nazis with his wife. Then he joined Albert Einstein and Slizard to help persuade the President of the United States to fund a nuclear bomb research and development.
This is Einstein. When he escaped Poland, he went to America, and in collaboration with Fermi and Slizard, they decided to try and persuade President Roosevelt to start a nuclear research program. Now this is a picture of Slizard. In 1932, he theorized that nuclear materials could be used to create energy. He used the ideas to patent the world's first atomic bomb. He didn't plan on making one, but holding the patent meant that nobody else could make one. In 1936, he turned the patent over to the British government to keep it out of the hands of the Nazis. He campaigned against it ever being used.
What was the intended purpose of the project? The sole motivation behind the project was the fear that Germany and the Nazis may first build an atomic bomb and use it against Britain and the Soviet Union. Roosevelt responded to the letter from Einstein, Slizard and Fermi and decided to take action. So they wanted to build an atomic bomb before Germany could, so they could win World War II.
They intended to end the Second World War by dropping a bomb on Hiroshima, which is pictured above, and also on Nagasaki. What were their predictions? After Einstein sent the letter to President Roosevelt, he predicted to his colleagues, "You realize, once the military have this, they will use it, no matter what you say," and he was right. 4 bombs were produced and used.
What was the outcome? Well, as we all know, for America, the outcome was successful. They were able to produce the first ever atomic bombs, and all before the Nazis could. They prevented Hitler from conquering the world. They dropped bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki with a total death amounts of around 135,000 people.
What implications did or does this project have on the future? The 2 bombs ended World War II, and it was the start of the nuclear age. It led to more information about the atom. Nuclear energy is now used to power countries. Nuclear warfare is more and more likely, which is one of the downsides of the project. However, the Manhattan Project is to thank for the entire field of nuclear medicine, medical imaging, diagnosis and treatments for things like cancer, modern stem cell research, nuclear chemistry, and nuclear physics. Thanks for watching.